Hi everyone. ChatGPT OpenAl initiative has made a lot of impact and everybody's talking about. And I want to touch on a very quick thing about how this ChatGPT can help entrepreneurs and somebody who wants to start a business, who is a business owner, to be a communication assistant for business development purposes, like lead generation, like communicate to a new prospect, or maybe respond to a long lost client, or reinitiate conversation, or personalize any message. Why? We are flooded with a lot of requirement of communication. So let's see how OpenAI can help us, or the ChatGPT can help us to make this particular process easy. As you see on the screen, just get on to chat.openai.com and you'll be asked to log in, maybe a Google account, Gmail, or even username and personal email and password to get into that. Now, let's imagine we want to write an email to reach to a supermarket to sell our product. Very simple. Like we tell to one of our assistants, we put it there. Write an email, sell my product to supermarket. Now see, as you see on the screen, it generates. How does it say? Your supermarket name. I hope this finds you well. My name, your name. And see, now it gives you a whole framework, a generic framework. But if you tell that more further information, right, it can help you further. Think about, for example, if you can specify, if you can be detailed to that. So next time I'm going to do, write an email to introduce our clothing brand name XYZ to a supermarket brand named ABC. Make sure to emphasize, make sure to mention we can provide samples and also a 90-day credit. Now imagine this. It gets it very personalized. Right? So it says the ABC supermarket. I hope this email fine. And this now I didn't introduce myself or my product. So then even that could have been fed into. So likewise, it can personalize it as much as possible. Right? So same way, instruct to like you are instructing to your assistant. Right? Give it more information, detail, it will do wonders. And you can also respond to an email. Just copy an email and paste it and say respond to this. And likewise, you can say write a personalized WhatsApp message to wish my existing clients on the new view. Right. So if any language has been put hold, or if you didn't have enough team member to work on your communication to all of it, if has put hold your business development, let it not be an excuse anymore. Let ChatGPT OpenAI initiative support to open your market. But let's do this together and let's make an impact. Let's use the tool to make it happen. Thank you very much.